My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you one and all. Welcome to all my new gardening family, and big ups to you, my faithful gardening family, my channel members. Big shout out to you as well. Thank you all so much. I appreciate you all, and God bless you all. Alright guys, so I'm just giving you a little look around. For the first time today, my garden got some rainwater. Yeah, we got some rain. It wasn't for long, it wasn't a lot, but I am grateful. I'm just showing you around a little as to what is happening. You can see this bed. It has exploded. There's an explosion going on inside here. So you can see the pak choy. The cabbages are not doing as well as the pak choy. You know, cabbages take a little time. So the pak choy are flourishing right now. So this pumpkin that was right here, you remember how it was? I took off some of the leaves because after I transplanted it, see some of the leaves here too. Some of them withered down. So because I did it in the morning instead of the evening, I think if I had done it in the evening, then it would have looked much better. Like all the leaves would still look like that, but they will grow back. So I decided that I'm going to run this pumpkin inside here. So that little space right there, I may push back those a little, but I'm going to have it redirecting in this space right here. So I know it can be done because I've done it before. After taking out that one, lo and behold, I didn't saw that there was another one right here. So I thought it was a pak choy. It hadn't grown so big, you know, when I did this 2 days ago. Yeah, but since 2 days ago it was on the same level with the pak choy. So I really didn't look close enough to see that it wasn't. So anywho, I'm gonna have to take that out as well. So guys, look at here. You remember these? Man, then grow to your sight. I can't believe. I mean, these are the squash mix that I showed you in my tour some time ago. So guys, look at them. They just exploded ever since I started feeding my garden, man. I'm telling you, they have been exploding, my plants. So until these bear fruit, I will not know what they are, because it's a zucchini mix that has some squash in there as well. But these right here, so these I got from Blessings from the Garden. These are summer squash, one of them. Oh my god, guys, look at these red callaloo. Man, these babies just take off. I mean, look at them. They took off and they look so good. These zinnias, they are actually changing over. The original flowers of how they looked, they are changing color, almost ready to die down. But this was the color right there, and this is the brighter one that I'm getting now. So pretty. Same thing with the white ones, same thing with the yellow ones. I don't think the camera is doing the yellow ones justice. Yeah, because I'm looking at it and I don't believe so. Same thing with these ones. Ooh, the orange ones. These are popping. Look at they. Got them, guys, so pretty. So inside here, so this little space, I made this little space. I'm going to put another raised bed inside here. Oh, these babies, my mulberries, they are getting ready to ripen. They get bigger as they ripen. See, they're getting ready. Now guys, I have to show you this. As I said, it's not a tour, I'm just showing you around a little, because I haven't shown you any video in recent times. So, well, in a few days. Alright, so look at my Julie mango tree. Man, look at this. Look at there. Not my Julie, the East Indian. I finally took out the Julie mango that didn't made it from there. I hope to get back another one. Alright, so this now. I accidentally break it off from here, so, and I shamefully stuck it inside here. So I'm going to get these in the morning. Look there, it was going to give me some more right here, so you know. And where again? See, I have another one right there, so was going to come up. I shamefully stuck it in there. I wouldn't mind it could just root back, but so it goes sometimes. So this is what is left of this plant, along with right here. So I go. I could beat myself. Ever hear that? I could beat myself. Yes, I could beat myself. So I don't know what these going to be, but I'm looking forward to them. And I removed the cantaloupe that was here because aphid and everything took it over. Guys, I had recordings that got corrupted, so hence why I didn't post from the other day. This one is another one coming up, so may I watch it closely, very keenly. It had on aphids. I washed them off, and ants was taking it over. Hence I have the cinnamon powder right here. Marlene from Marlene's Home and Garden. Yeah, there goes my cinnamon powder. Glades Garden girl. There goes the cinnamon powder. I don't see any ants, but because of the rain, why it looks so moist. But I hope it is working for me. Now, let me take a step down memory lane. Well, it's not actually down memory lane because I'm coming down here. I'm like, okay. So now, I had cherries, you know. I had tiny baby cherries, but when I was looking at them, I'm trying to see if I can find any to show you. But it looked like all of them got beaten off by the rain earlier. Well, see one little one right here, so I'm like, you know, that soon fall off. Yes, I had plenty on there, you know. But when I saw them, when the blossoms turn into actual cherry, I saw them and the stems, they were so fragile. So I was thinking, that not gonna make it. That not gonna make it. See stems on there? Yeah. So they disappeared, but at least I think the tree is telling me, alright, as soon do they do. See stems there? Alrighty. Guys. I tell you that my garden is exploding, you know. It is exploding. Alright, so I have some kales coming up inside here. Kales. Alright, so this is what I'm taking you to. Now, look at my melon bed. Can you imagine? And I saw some currants inside there, and they are coming up nicely as well. But look at the melon patch. Man, look at that. So I have Like I said, I have crimson in there, and I have what's its name again? Sugar baby. And this one right here I got from Blessings from the Garden. I think the name of it is Tabita Melon. I guess when it produce, see, it has a lot of blossoms on there peeking out, those little yellow peeking out. Yeah, I guess I can just Google lens them when it produce to make sure, because the fudge sticks, they rub out. Alright, and I have some string beans coming up inside here as well. Alright, so what else? So these oranges, they fall off, you know. The blooms, they fell off. At least it's trade, they say, alright, we soon produce for you. But my good old faithful grapefruit is still there doing its thing. And these force-ride corn, I was going to pull them out, you know, when I say, let me see what them are going to do. Alright, and these ones now, they start to follow, but at least these look far better than what those are looking like. Yeah. Alright, so what else do you want to show you? What else did I want to show you guys? Oh, let me show you what's popping here. There are other things to show you, know, but I'm just giving you a little run through right now. Yeah, this baby wants to give me pomegranate again. Well, I didn't get pomegranate before I got blossoms, but these look firmer than ever have I seen before on here. So I'm looking forward. Alright, so this is where I'm going to leave you for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.